Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the parent node prepend method to insert one or more elements or strings at the beginning of a set of elements inside a shared parent. Call the parent node prepend method on the target parent node and pass in one or more new elements or strings as arguments. For example, here I have an unordered list with an ID of list on it and a handful of list items inside it. And if I wanted to create and add a new list item to the beginning of this list, the parent node prepend method is perfect for that. I'm going to use the document create element method to create my list item and give it some I am new here text. I'm also going to use the document query selector method to get my unordered list. Finally, I'll call the prepend method on my list and pass in my new list item as an argument. And if we jump over to the browser, you can see now that I have this I am new here list item at the beginning of my list of the original 3 list items. You can also pass in more than one item to prepend as arguments. So for example, if I wanted to add a second list item with the first, I would again create that list item, give it some text, I'm new here too. And on my list prepend method, I'll pass in both list items as arguments. And if we reload the browser, you can see that I am new here and I'm new here too both show up before the original set of list items. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.